Something vast and incomprehensible has emerged from the depths of the universe. When the James Webb Space Telescope turned its mirrors toward a seemingly ordinary patch of sky, astronomers expected faint galaxies, wisps of nebulae, or perhaps an exoplanet hidden in the glow of its star. What they received instead was unlike anything ever seen. The data carried back to Earth revealed not a galaxy, not a star cluster, but an emptiness so profound that it left even the most experienced scientists in stunned silence. At first glance, the image looked like countless others, crowds of galaxies shining across unimaginable distances, their light bent and warped by gravity into luminous arcs. But in the very center of the field sat something entirely alien. A region not black like a typical void, nor shadowed by dust, but utterly absent. No light. No distortion. Not even the faintest trace of infrared glow. Where there should have been structure, there was nothing. Not matter, not energy, nothing at all. Unlike a black hole, this anomaly showed no pull, no swallowing of nearby stars, no violent flare-ups of matter being consumed. Instead, the fabric of space itself seemed to curve away from it, as though reality was recoiling. The galaxies surrounding it appeared stretched and bent in unnatural directions, as if trying to escape its presence. It wasn't collapse. It was erasure. A gouge carved into existence itself. When the images were processed further, something even more disturbing was revealed. Just beyond the edge of the void, faint traces of order began to appear, curves, nodes, and alignments of light that seemed too deliberate to be random. For a brief moment, under a narrow band of infrared light, the pattern became clear, a geometric arrangement, subtle yet undeniable. It was fragile, fleeting, and visible only to Webb's unique sensitivity. And then it was gone. The implication shook those who saw it. Was it a natural phenomenon, or had something created it to be seen only once? If so, then the Webb telescope had not just observed the universe, it had been answered. The theories came fast and desperate. Some suggested a naked singularity, a gravitational point stripped of its event horizon, standing bare in violation of every mathematical model. Others whispered of a tear in the cosmic fabric itself, a rupture between dimensions that was never meant to exist within our reality. Still others feared it was something older, a relic from the universe's first moments, surviving as a scar from an age when physics played by different rules. But the most terrifying aspect was scale. Estimates placed the anomaly at hundreds of thousands of light-years wide, large enough to swallow multiple galaxies. And yet it gave off no measurable gravity. Stars wandering too close didn't spiral in, they simply vanished, fading out of detection as though erased not just from view, but from history itself. In physics, information is never supposed to be lost. But here, information didn't vanish into storage. It ceased to exist at all. The discovery rippled far beyond astronomy. Mathematicians found impossible geometries within its boundaries. Philosophers debated whether this was the first proof that reality had limits. Some even argued it was entropy made visible, the heat death of the universe condensed into a single silent wound. And in hushed tones, a handful of scientists admitted what others dared not say: it looked like intention. As if the universe itself had been marked. What makes the finding even more unsettling is its age. The light captured by Webb had traveled nearly 13 billion years to reach us. That means this rupture appeared when the first galaxies were forming, when the cosmos itself was still young. And yet it is still there, unchanged, as though eternal. A scar older than stars, older than planets, older than life. Other observatories tried to confirm the pattern at its edge, but none could replicate Webb's results. The symmetry appeared once and never again. To some, this suggested it was never physical at all, but a message. One meant to be seen by the first eye capable of looking. Ours. For now, no one can say what the void truly is. A tear in spacetime? A window into another reality? Or something beyond even those words, a presence defined only by absence? What is certain is this: the James Webb Space Telescope has revealed something that challenges not just physics, but existence itself. This was not discovery as humanity once imagined it. This was confrontation. The universe had revealed a shadow at its core, a place not of stars or galaxies but of silence, negation, and dread. And now